Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your ex or Twitter friends on Bluesky Social. And it's really easy and simple, guys. First things first, what you want to do is go to your favorite browser. For me, I'm using Google Chrome. Go to Google and search Sky Follower Bridge. And we're going to be downloading this free extension. You can also do this on Firefox. The extension is available on their web store. So I'm going to click on this first link right here, Chrome Web Store, Sky Follower Bridge, okay? Then what you want to do, guys, is on this extension page, you want to click on Add to Chrome, okay? And then you're going to click on Add Extension, and it's going to start downloading this extension for us. It's completely safe. Over 200,000 people have used it. And here we go, guys. The extension has downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and pin this right here. Now what we're going to do, guys, click here on the extension, and we're going to log in to Sky Follower Bridge with our Bluesky account. Let me do that first real quickly. Okay guys, I've entered my login credentials and I'm going to click on Find Bluesky Users. It says invalid login. Let me try this again. Okay, I've removed the at handle right there. I'm going to try this again. It's still not working. Okay guys, now it should work. You want to basically go into your settings and find your app password, okay? Not the actual password. What this does, it gives access to certain apps to your Bluesky social account without giving them full access. Now I'm going to click on Find Bluesky Users. Okay, now it says please open the target page. So here we have our profile right here. Click on following. Now click on this extension and click find Bluesky users. Okay, it says invalid handle or password. Okay, there we go, guys. I've changed my app password. Now we're gonna try this one last time and it should actually work. So it's finding the Bluesky users for us, and it has found 0 users so far. It's currently scanning and it should actually work. So let's give it some time to continue scanning all our people that we're following. I can see they're scanning some users right here. So let me wait for now. Okay, it's finding users, found 3 users so far. And I'm going to wait because I have 5 people I'm following. So basically, guys, what you want to do is you want to make sure you go ahead and copy the app password instead of your actual password, okay? So now I'm going to click on view detected users and let's see, guys. So here we go. We have 3 detected users, and what I can do, they have the same handle name, so I can just go ahead and follow them on Bluesky just by clicking this button. And now I'm following them on Bluesky. Let me just show you real quickly. So if I go to my profile and I go to people I'm following, there we go. They should be added right now. Here we go, guys. I just followed them, literally. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and it's really that easy and simple. And if you appreciate this video, go ahead and smash that like button, guys, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.